Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I have the new Google Pixel 7 for you. We're gonna set it up together and get started with this Pixel 7. We have here language options. We can choose any other language. We keep it in English right now. Accessibility, vision settings, you can customize the display size and text and some other useful things on this phone. Then we go back, emergency call, and here is the button to get started. Connect to mobile network. If you have a SIM card, insert it now. We have a different video for that, so we're gonna skip this part. Connecting to a Wi-Fi. You want to connect to a Wi-Fi to like download apps and be able to get information on your phone and all that kind of stuff. So you want to connect to a Wi-Fi. I'm gonna connect this phone to our Wi-Fi right now. So I put in our password right now. If you click on show password, it will show you your password there, so you can check if you put it in right. And then you click on connect. Hopefully I put it in right. Yes, getting your phone ready. We now come to copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more from an old phone to this new one. If you click on next, it will tell you what steps you need to take. So like get the old device, get a cable, connect them, and then it will send all the data from one phone to the other. We don't want to do that right now. So now it asks us to sign in with our Google account. You want to do that to like download the apps you needed for the Play Store. So we're gonna log into our Google account right now. After you put in your email, you can click on next. If you don't have a Google account, you can also create an account there, but you can also use the one you already have. So click on next, and then it will ask us to put in the password. So I'm gonna put in the password right now. Same here, if you click on show password, it will show you the password you put in, so you can check again if you put it in right. So we click on next, and then some more information about the terms of Google service. We agree. So you can restore data from an old device. We have here devices listed that we used for other videos. We don't want to restore any data from our old devices, so we say don't restore. Google services, use location, so it will always like have your location. Allow scanning, so that will scan for any Wi-Fi networks around you. Send usage and diagnostic data. You don't need to have that on, you can turn it off. Also here, if you don't want to use your location, you can turn it off. If you turn it on, the Wi-Fi scanning will work. You can turn that on and off by itself, but if you turn off the location, this one will also turn off automatically. I find it pretty practical, so I keep it on and accept. Now we come to back up your device with Google One. So your device is backed up when it's on, locked, and connected to power and Wi-Fi. Backups are securely encrypted and uploaded to your Google account. So this will back up your device. You can turn it on, you can say not now, so you can turn it on later. We click on not now. Limited warranty, tap the country of purchase to view the warranty of this device. The warranty is also available at settings, about your phone, and then limited warranty, and g.co/device warranty. So you can now choose like the country of purchase. Let's see if we can just click on next without choosing one. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, next step is to set a PIN. We also have a separate video for that, so we're gonna skip this part now. Skip setup for a PIN, face, and fingerprint. A PIN protects the phone if it's lost or stolen. Yes, we know that it's always recommended, or I always would recommend you to use some kind of security lock for your phone, so also that strangers cannot just randomly come up to your phone and like look through it or something. But we skip it anyways because there is a separate video for that. Continue setup. Keep going to get your device fully set up, or leave now and get a reminder to finish later. We're pretty much set up to use the phone, so we can leave and get a reminder, but you can also choose to continue. Review additional apps. Apps will be downloaded over Wi-Fi, so these apps will be automatically downloaded, so I understand. These are pretty useful, so I would keep it on, but you can also click on them and then just choose the ones you really want. That's up to you. You can customize that and then just click on OK. Swipe to navigate your phone. We say tried. Swipe to go home. Swipe off the bottom of your screen. OK, nice. Go back. We just swipe there from the edge of the corner. OK. And then swipe to switch apps. We swipe up and then you can choose there. Okay, nice. Done. All set. You're ready to start using your phone. So system navigation settings, you can customize that, or swipe to go home. So we swipe to go home. So that's our home screen. If you swipe up, you have a menu here with your settings, a calculator, and everything else. If you just swipe up again, you go back to your home screen. Yeah, now you can install apps, customize your phone further, whatever you like. That is how you set up and configure your Google Pixel 7. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.